Okay, just super fast. This video is just going to show you how to get to Literably. And I just want to remind you of a couple things while you do it. So if you go, you have to go to your Clever page to log into Literably. So once you log in, you're going to scroll down to your main page under apps, and Literably looks like this one right here, the blue with the little purple head reading a book. Once you click on that, you will click log in. It should automatically log you in if you give it just a minute, and you're going to push next, and you're just going to read into your microphone, whether that's on your headphones or you don't. If you're at home in a quiet place, it will work automatically on your Chromebook. You're going to read what it tells you to read, and then you're going to answer the questions at the end. There is one last question where you have to type, and then you submit that. If I have any problems and can't get a hold of someone, if someone's doesn't work, I will let you know, but I need you to try to get this done today or tomorrow by the latest. Thanks.